To play and enjoy any of the Diablo games, you don't have to be familiar with the mythology of its universe. You see a monster, you kill it, and take its loot. That is the main loop of the game. It is so simple, and yet remarkably engaging. However, if you want to be immersed in its story and understand the characters you meet as you journey in the game, it is best to gain insight into Diablo's lore. The Diablo franchise has a rich mythology. It didn't start like this, though. Between Diablo 1 and Diablo 2, Blizzard developed most of the background history that formed the backbone of its lore. By the time Diablo 3 was released, this body of mythology was so extensive that it is comparable in breadth and depth to the mythologies of the ancient past. One thing that makes Diablo's mythology special is how familiar it is to us. It involves the concepts of angels and demons, heaven and hell, monsters and saviors, and other ideas that are already common knowledge to most people.